Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I wanted to show you that I finally got a GoPro. I got the GoPro Hero 9. I decided to get one because I was tired of using my iPhone to record all of my travel videos. So I'm gonna start opening this up, and then at the end I'm gonna add a little short video using this camera. Okay, so far it comes in this cute little box with a zipper. So let's open it up. Ooh, a charger. Oh, it looks so pretty. So cute. Okay, it has a battery. It has this little thing. I don't know what it is. So I'm new to GoPro, so I don't know what this is. And it has one more thing. It has this too. I'm gonna look at the instructions of what that is. And this also, I'm gonna look at the instructions. So by looking at the instructions, it looks like those extra things are so you can put on top of the helmet or attach it to somewhere. I think I will add it since I bought the stick and it looks like you need it. So I'm going to add all those things and then add the stick to see how it looks. Okay, so I think I got it. You add this thing right here. And then you screw it so it can tighten up. Oh, that's not how I want it. Oh, and by the way, my English is not perfect. So if I say something wrong or just letting you know. Okay, so that's tight. I think that's how it goes. Okay, now I'm gonna unbox the stick and attach it. So I got the stick out. I have the thing you have to attach it with. But I'm struggling and I'm gonna have to put this together. It looks like it should be really easy, but I'm trying from the front, from the back. So I'm gonna look this up because the box did not come with instructions. Or maybe I just have to open this up. Oh, so you just have to lift this up and then you close it. Or not? How do you do this? Okay, now it's stuck. Now I'm just not sure if this has to be closed, but I'll figure that out later. So I had to YouTube how to open the side to put in the battery because it was very hard. I almost broke my nail. So you pull and then you pull it from the bottom so it can open up. Now take out the battery. Again, I don't know if I should pull this. Should I? No, maybe not. I don't know. Let me see. Oh, it's on. It's working. Oh, and I love the front screen. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'm going to do all the setup and then I'm gonna come back. So when you get your camera, you have to download the app quick. You have to download it on your phone so you can pair them. Okay, so it's on. I did do the subscription. It said it was $4.99 per month. So it will auto upload my videos to my phone. Unlimited cloud storage. Manual edits. So it has a lot. I think it's pretty cool. So I think this is pretty cool. So I'm recording right now, right? My computer, or recording myself. And on my phone, on the app, I can see what I'm recording with the GoPro. I thought that was pretty cool to share. So I forgot to get an SD card. So I can't record myself right now to see how it looks in the GoPro. So it says no SD card. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go buy one and then record myself or record something using the GoPro to attach it at the end of this video. Okay, from wide I changed it to linear. Okay, so I got the SD card. It's dark outside, so I can't use the camera outside, so I'm using it indoor. This is the wide. I'm gonna change it to normal right now. Okay, I'm going to show you the differences using the mirror. So this is linear again. And this is wide.